Are you looking for an affordable place to stay in Branson that's highly rated with super clean rooms?
Then watch this video to the end to find out more.
Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So today we are in Branson and we talked about an affordable, super clean, highly rated place to stay, and that is Branson's Best Motel.
So let's check out why they call it Branson's Best.
Definitely. So stick with us to the end of the video. We are going to cover some room tours, room tours. They also offer some pretty awesome amenities that we have not seen yet.
So unique.
Very unique for a Branson hotel. We have not seen any like that or anything like that. And before we get started, we want to thank them for inviting us out here to stay with them and to talk with them. Sue and Vinny, we appreciate you a lot. You guys are awesome. So anyway, we're going to head to our room here in a minute and show you guys everything they have to offer in there. So this is our room and we are about to walk in. We have stepped inside already once, but we're going to give you guys this little kind of effect going on. So this is what you see as you come in. It is a basic hotel room. They have left us something rather sweet. Oh, that beeping was that. Yes. It's a couple towels shaped like swans and making a little heart. Says we like. I know. Thank you so much, guys. We really like this. This is amazing.
So cool.
It is very cool. And so we would like to welcome BA Adventures. Hope you enjoy your stay with us. I think we are going to enjoy this quite a bit. So we got the double queen bedroom, and these range from about $75 to $80 a night. That includes like the kings as well. That's what they kind of range to. So very affordable rooms. As you can see, you have the standard setup for a queen with the lights in the middle for the reading lights. But something that we absolutely have to say that we enjoy is the installation to these. You can never have enough plugs and USB ports. That is how everybody charges their life. I mean, what I'm filming on is my phone and it gets charged through that. I think it is absolutely amazing when you have plenty of those things. Oh my gosh, it even has a USB-C option. Oops, sorry. Right there. Love that. Great. And these were recently installed. This is what they told me. So that is fantastic. 2 queen beds. One thing I will have to say is that I see 0 dirt anywhere. So very clean, smells extremely awesome in here. Super clean as well. One thing that the standard rooms have is a fridge in every room.
It's a good size fridge.
It is a good size room. And you've got a TV right over here, a single, looks like coffee maker right there for maybe 1 cup. I don't know if there's a pot or not for that. I think it's just a cup though that you put underneath. And then you have your standard vanity right over here with 1 sink and soaps and towels. And then something that I found rather incredible about this hotel is the showers. Okay, they are walk-in showers. Let me find the light. There it is. Let me zoom out a little here for you guys so that you can see this a little bit better. I could not zoom out for some reason. What is happening? Oh, well, let me just back up a little bit here. So as you can see, it is a walk-in shower. No tubs. There are only tubs on the 3rd floor. So if you really have to have a tub, then that needs to be on the 3rd floor. Another thing that I would like to mention is something that the housekeepers actually get to do. This basket right here has all of our soaps and stuff in it and our facial towel. However, that may not be the way it is in a different room. Each housekeeper on each level gets to personalize it themselves. This hotel is also ADA compliant, which means that they have rooms that can accommodate those who are requiring those accommodations, whatever they may be. So they do have one room that is ADA compliant for sure. There's Ash sitting by the window over here, which I'm going to mention something about this window in a second, so stick around for that. The next thing that I wanted to mention is that they are not pet friendly here. However, they do accommodate those who have service animals. So anyway, what I wanted to point out about this window is that every single room has this open Bible with a flower pot or possibly something else sitting on the table with it, and the tip envelope as well. So anyway, there are some other accommodations that this hotel has that are up by the front office. However, they also have a pool. So we're going to go show you the pool next, possibly. And then we will go to the office and show you those accommodations up there in the front office. So anyway, we will see you guys outside of the pool.
One thing to note about Branson's Best is they do have an outdoor pool. It looks like it's about 5 feet. It goes 3 feet to 5 feet deep. There's no water yet. There's a little bit of pool maintenance going on. It just got freshly painted. So I'm sure this pool is going to be awesome once summer season hits.
Definitely going to be awesome, yes. Before heading into the office area and the check-in area, something I wanted to note was these chairs that are here outside. They allow you to be outside and in the shade to just get some fresh air and not be out in the blazing sun. And behind these, right here, is the breakfast lounge and area, which we're going to talk about here in a minute. So stick around when we get inside for that. So one of the accommodations that Branson's Best has is that they offer some game rentals for those days where it might be raining outside or the weather may be too bad to go out. You can rent the game for $2 and play it in that lounge over there that we talked about. Something else that they do offer is they have some soda and water and Gatorade for you to purchase as well here in the main office. And another nice little tidbit that they offer is there are discounted tickets on any sort of shows that you may want to see here at Branson anywhere. One of those includes Clay Cooper's Country Express or the Branson Murder Mystery Dinner. So just a couple that I wanted to mention. So anyway, we're going to show you another accommodation here in a second. All right, so walking into the breakfast area here, which we will show you more of this in the morning on their breakfast, but before we get to it, we kind of wanted to show you before there were a lot of people inside, but they have 3 warmers for food. It is a hot breakfast every time.
Which is exciting.
Which is very exciting for us. It is biscuits and gravy, sausage, eggs, waffles, I think. Mm-hmm. Yep, there's some waffle. Oh, yep, waffle maker is over there as well. So anyway, there's that. And something else that Ash is super excited to talk about with this is
the desserts. You get desserts 9 p.m. until 11 p.m., which is perfect timing.
It is like a nice little, right before you go to bed.
Mm-hmm. That and like you can watch your shows and stuff and then come back to your hotel room and eat.
And they even offer ice cream as well out of that machine right there.
So you get a cobbler, just depends. They rotate them around, what flavor, and you get ice cream and cookies.
So Sue told us the flavor. It was blackberry, peach, cherry, or apple. Yeah. So anyway, that being said, you guys stick around to see whatever cobbler they have for our visit today, because we're going to show you that and how it all operates, because there's even cookies involved. So we have a couple more places to show you before we go and get that dessert, which is going to be a little bit later. But so anyway, we will show you a couple more places. Down this hall past the front desk is another lounge and rec area where you can have like your group in here hanging out and talking, chatting, visiting, whatever, so that you're not stuck like in a cramped room. Everybody has a place to sit and hang out. Like if you wanted to have pizza as a group here, you could. Something else, it's also a great place to like maybe you have some microwave meals that you're bringing. There is a microwave back here behind in the lounge that you can use, and you can eat it here instead of having it in your room. So none of the rooms have microwaves except for the 5 executive rooms. Each have a microwave in them. So there is that. However, you can rent a microwave if you want to or would like to. That is okay as well. So All right, we are going to go head outside and show you a couple other areas.
Okay, so we've come to the backside of the motel, and it has 3 levels on the backside. As we come up to this breezeway on the right-hand side, each breezeway has a ice machine and a vending machine, which is really nice to have. So then that way you don't have to go up or down any floors. You can stay on your same floor. And also, one thing I really want to mention is a lot of these older motels doesn't have an elevator. They have an elevator here. And I think that's a huge thing. So you don't have to lug up your luggage up those stairs. You can just use that elevator.
No, and honestly, this vending machine, that's stocked with some good stuff. Like there's Mountain Dew in there, Dr. Pepper, there's Coke and Pepsi and cookies and different types of chips. Like this is a great assortment. So clearly they stock it themselves here. And I think that's something that not a lot of hotels offer. Honestly, like I think this is a great addition for it. And let's see, I wonder how much a soda is.
I'm gonna
You
get
want to
Dr.
press the
Pepper.
button? All right, let's check the Dr. Pepper. Let's see how much.
It is $3.
It is $3.
So you better get
for-
your stuff inside the motel
Yep, better get your stuff
at the lobby.
at the lobby. The lobby is too. Well, these are bigger. These are bigger bottles, so I
true.
understand why, because the lobby is a can.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
Yeah,
But
so there is that. So, anyway, that being said, the like she mentioned, the elevator is actually right there at the end of the breezeway, and there are only 2 breezeways on the 2nd floor and the 3rd floor. So, anyway, we are going to head back to our room and wait for that awesome dessert. So, as promised, we are headed down to the main lobby to get their dessert that they have from 9 to 11. So, see you down there. So, we chose to Ash got both. It looks like, is it cherry or
blackberry.
Blackberry and peach cobbler, and some cookies. They give you 2 flavors each time, and they like to rotate it to not make it so stagnant and stale.
Variety.
Yeah, and gives it a variety all the time. Now, if they are sold out around like Christmas time, usually, like they say, they do give all 4 different options of flavors.
You can tell it's like homemade, by the way.
Yeah, it looks very homemade. And then they've also got cookies, and the ice cream machine came out kind of quick on me, and I wasn't prepared for it, so I got quite a bit. But I've been looking forward to some ice cream. Haven't had some ice cream in a while, so
Pretty good?
that's some good stuff. So, how's that blackberry cobbler? I'm not a big cobbler person, so I'm gonna leave that up to Ash.
Blackberry's really good.
Okay, blackberry's good.
I'm not a big fan of like peach in general,
Okay,
but I wanted to try it. That's not bad.
you think these cookies are homemade, or do you think they're store bought?
I don't know. They look good though.
Well, if they're store bought, they're really good. But if they're homemade, that's even better. I mean,
They're good.
they're very good. Very good cookies. This is like an awesome thing that a hotel does.
You've never been to a hotel that does this?
In
for
Branson.
desserts?
In Branson.
I've never been to one, period.
Oh, well, yeah, I guess one period. Yeah. Wow. Kind of,
Normal.
yeah, it is kind of different,
I mean, Drury does like a
but it's great. It's
happy
good
hour
different.
thing, but it's nothing to this level. It's so good.
That's true. Yeah. So,
I
like,
like this.
I do kind of like how it is late at night, like between 9 and 11, like right as you come in after maybe a show or something, and you want a little dessert, a little ice cream, or maybe a cobbler. This is perfect. Or maybe you went out to dinner and like you were too stuffed for dessert, and then it's like, oh, well,
Might as well.
I've settled down for a little bit, sitting in my room. Maybe I'll go grab a couple cookies or a little bit of ice cream.
I want to mention that we are here at 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. Like right when it opened, almost all those cobblers were gone. Like that's how good this is.
Yeah, and there were several people sitting inside eating. So, like, this is some solid stuff. I'm very impressed by this. So, something that
10 out of 10.
yeah, definitely. If we rated things for this, 10 out of 10 on this. Excellent job, Branson's best. Definitely. So, we're going to finish this up, and then we're going to see you guys back in the room. We made it back to the room, and we are super, tired. That food was actually really, really good. So anyway, we will see you guys in the morning when we head up there and have their breakfast. So anyway, we're going to get some sleep, and then we will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, and we have gotten ready for the day, and we're going to head down and get some of this breakfast. So anyway, we will see you guys down in the breakfast area. So this is our options for breakfast. They were in the warmers like we showed you guys yesterday. Ash went with French toast, eggs, biscuits, and potatoes. I went with sausage, eggs, and biscuits. They also offer gravy for biscuits and gravy. If you guys like that, I'm probably going to go back and get biscuits and gravy after I eat this, just to test it out for you guys. So anyway, I'm going to eat this and probably go grab some biscuits and gravy also.
Okay, so we just finished breakfast, and what do you think the breakfast was like?
It was awesome.
Yeah.
I thoroughly enjoyed that breakfast. I stay at a lot of hotels, especially in the summertime, coaching, and that's one of the best breakfasts I've had at a hotel. So that's pretty darn good.
I'm not a big breakfast eater.
No.
I don't really like to get up and eat. I like to just go. And I'm so glad I took the time to sit down and eat, and it was really good. Yeah. I actually really appreciated the hot meal.
Oh, yes.
You know.
Yeah, you can't beat a hot breakfast, especially that biscuits and gravy. You guys, if you're biscuits and gravy fans, go get that stuff.
That's a big deal for him.
It really is. It really is. Also, guys, we were talking yesterday and about some things that we wanted to talk about this hotel, and the only thing that kept crossing our mind, the biggest one, is that we will book this in the future. If we were coming up here to stay in Branson, this is a place that we are going to book. So
it highlights some big deals for us. I would say affordability.
Yep.
Clean. That's a huge thing.
Yeah.
And it's safe. We never had any question of our vehicle or anything. And we didn't hear any noise when we were in the room, which is super cool too.
Yeah, that is really nice. The other thing that I wanted to talk about, we're going to start giving hotels thumbs up, thumbs sideways, thumbs down for ratings. So thumbs up is you should book. It's BA Adventures approved. Thumbs sideways is it's questionable, risky, maybe. I don't know if we would book it again. Yeah, it really depends on the person. And then thumbs down is very obvious. Do not book that thing. So that being said, guys, Branson's Best gets a huge thumbs up for us. We will definitely be booking this again. It is
we now know why it's Branson's Best too.
That's absolutely correct. Yes. And another thing that we want to mention is its location is only a quarter mile from the Titanic over here. So if you guys know where the Titanic is off 76 Boulevard, it is just a quarter mile down on Gretna Road to the left. And you just make a left on Green Mountain Road.
Yeah,
and it's right there. It's just where we're standing. So anyway, that being said, guys, Branson's Best, like I said, huge thumbs up. We'll be booking it again. And everything, especially if we encourage you to book it as well. And if you do, come here and tell them that we sent you.
Yes.
Okay. It will make us very happy to know that our video helped inspire you guys to stay here. So that being said, if you guys want to keep up with more of our hotel reviews or theme park news, adventures, updates, or anything like that, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
bell notification button,
so that you guys don't miss any more of our videos. And with that,
bring on the next adventure.
Bye, guys.